Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so back here we talked about a little consolidation into a resolution. That may be happening again here. So see some lower highs. Right now we are battling between the blue line. I'm going to zoom this one time. The blue line, which is your 9-day, green line, daily mid-band to the 20-day. So that was the range yesterday. If the bulls win this and we end up over the top of the 9-day to stay, I would expect to move up to that 42.11 area. You can see the daily bands are starting to, the daily Bollinger Bands are starting to compress. Right now they're at a Bollinger Bandwidth of 2.37. Those are compressed bands. And we're going to get expansion, which is going to be awesome. But right now, we're in compression. So you can see how it all started. Things are tightening up. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, call it 17, 18 days of consolidation. I guess you got a full 20 days of consolidation here. You've kind of shed this upward move. So these bands are going to get tight until you see resolution. Hourly. Monthly pivot support from Tuesday. They bounce it up to the 9-day, and you see the pre-FOMC price, but this longer blue line is your 9-day. Okay, 9-day. They did 9-day to the 20-day, to the 9-day to the 20-day, and we kind of been hopping around on either side of the 20-day. It was another nice trading day yesterday. We didn't take a ton of trades. We took a grand total of 3 setups. All of which, were really nice ones. 18.5 handle runner, 15 handle runner, then a couple of quick stop outs. I was short 66s yesterday, and I just took 10, and I left it alone because if it breaks this last night, the chances of it coming all the way in and retesting this area are pretty good, or at least retesting sub 4150. So you did 5130 here. You did 5150 overnight. So technically you've got a lower low day to day for today. That's good news for the Bears. What the Bears have to do now is they've got to convert the daily mid. They've got to keep it converted. They have to do what we talked about yesterday, which is turning this freaking tape into a sell rallies tape. You have to do that baseline stuff. And if you can't do that baseline stuff, you're not going to get the bigger move on the daily. Now, convert this, make some headway, and based upon what I'm seeing on the daily chart, tight bands do what? They get tight and then they open up. They get you get a band ride. Don't sit around trying to guess the direction of a band ride. There's no future in that, okay? Band rides off daily charts run farther, longer than you ever expect them. And what I'm trying to say to you is, whatever the hell happens, whether it's up or down, there's going to be plenty of time to get in. There's going to be plenty of handles to be made, and it's going to go a lot farther than than people expect. They're either going to drag everybody up towards 4,300. 4,300. Oh my! Look, that's 4,293 right there. Okay, you got a 4,211 high. It's just a fucking number. 4,300, okay? Or we're going to come back, they break that monthly pivot down at 4,210, and you start getting involved with 4,100. And nobody has a problem with that. See 4,100, you're like, damn right, absolutely. How about 4,000? I don't know. I'm just telling you, compression, expansion. And you're looking at, with a bandwidth of 2.3 and probably destined to get smaller, you got 100 handles on either side of the ride after it gets started. And that's why you don't need to anticipate or try to guess which way it's going to go. Just let it develop. All right, that's all I got. Let me give you real quick. So hourly mid, 63.75. VWAP sitting at about 63.5. Proprietary moving average is 66. And so, that 62 to 66 is going to be key for all the way down to 58, which is your daily mid band. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Come join the room, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.